Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay February 7, 2023, Martes. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa Metro Pacific. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking sasagutin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa PSE ngayong araw, February 6, 2023, dito lamang sa the stock market today. Okay, ang ating balita ay galing po sa BDO Securities, no? Headlines: costly missing opportunities from RCEP delay. Ito yung delay in joining the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Trade Agreement, being the only signatory state that has yet to participate in the deal. Ano kaya to? Free trade to between 10 members of ASEAN, and then T-bills rates ease across the board. So bumaba siya, no? 91 days is 4.2% na lang. And then Metro Pacific in talks to acquire 35% stake in AXLM or Axelum. Ito po ang ating main news. Glow agrees to lease towers to Thai Group and UPB completes 12 billion stock rights offer. Pero ang ating main news ay nandito po sa Inquirer, pero I'll just be reading the summary from BDO Securities. Reuters reports that Metro Pacific is in talks to acquire 35% of Axelum Resources for 5.32 billion. Kaya pala tumataas si Axelum, no? According to two sources with knowledge of the deal. AXLM Chairman Romeo Chan said, "Through this partnership, we shall be able to continuously realize, fast-track our lifelong vision to further develop and transform the Philippine coconut industry. The deal could be finalized this month, and Metro Pacific will have the option to buy more shares to gain a majority stake in the future." MPI is set to have a press conference today. Galing po ng Reuters and Business World. So AXLM reported the first 9 months of 22 profits of 717 million, which translates to potential incremental earnings of about 2% for Metro Pacific. MPI also has a 13.1 billion in parent cash level cash and a low 0.59% times debt to equity ratio, which implies that there is ample room to fund the potential acquisition. MPI is venturing into more agriculture-related businesses as part of its strategy to shift away from regulated businesses. We have a buy rating on MPI with a target price of 6 pesos. Yan po ang ating main news. At totoo po yan, no? Metro Pacific, ang mga negosyo po niya ay regulated or majority of them are regulated. Yan, toll roads, telephone, power distribution, yun po yung 3 main, no? Hospitals, well, di gaano. Pero yung acquisition nila ng dairy, agricultural, and this one, Axelum, would diversify the conglomerate into less regulated businesses. Okay, so let's now go to your comments. Cyborg present. Bench, pa-review po ng SSI kung may potential pang bumalik sa dati niyang sigla at kung okay ba dividends niya. Thanks po. Okay, sama po natin si SSI. And then Raquel Robrigado, yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Maria Susan Nunez, thank you, sir, for the enlightenment. Okay, thank you, Ren. Fernando Dumok, Sir Benji, thanks again for your informative insights, please comment on why SPNEC jumped 8% last Monday, bringing that price more than its SRO price. Alam mo, Fernando, I have no idea kung bakit nagkaganon si SPNEC. Kanina po, tinitignan ko po si SPNEC. Tignan natin, no? Kasi ngayon po ay 12:47. Ayan, tumaas siya. And it's 8.51% up, but I really have no idea kung bakit nagkaganito. Kasi for a time ay paakyat po si SPNEC. Ngayon po nagkaroon siya ng breakout, but I was searching the news but wala po akong makuhang news. Okay, so yung ating PSEI ay naka-lunch break, kaya down po siya 12.78 points or nasa 6923.83, and it's just moving sideways, nasa 69,000 level pa rin. So top active stocks is Ali, followed by MWIDE, ang laki ha, 20.80%. BDO, SM, mamaya tignan tayo, silipin lang natin si MWIDE, no? MWIDE, yan, no? Breakout din siya, oh. Ano kaya? May news kaya to? Sorry napa-jump ako dito. Pero nag-cash div, meron siyang cash div. And then pursuant to the resolutions on preferred shares, meron siyang preferred shares. Pero I think it's the cash dividends that made it jump So magkano ang cash div niya? Ex-date is March 1, but 50 centavos per share. Anyway, I think top of mind, yan po yung cause ng jump ni MY. Okay, so I'll see you later. Don't go away. As the market closes, I will be back. Okay, so the PSE index ay bumaba ng 55.35 points or 0.80%. So slightly downwards. Pero kung makikita niyo po yung short-term indicator natin, nagko-crossover na po siya, no? Ng candlesticks natin. On the short term, turning bearish po siya. Ang RSI po ay nasa bandang baba or lower than midpoint, nasa 49.41, pero midpoint pa rin po. Ang medium at long-term indicator nasa ilalim pa. Market activity, 97 companies ang umatras, 88 ang umabante, 51 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index, 0.52% ang binaba. Ang sectoral indices ay mixed, lamang po sa bumaba, no? Ang financials, industrials, properties at services ay bumaba. Pinangunahan ng services at 1.53%, samantalang ang mining at ang holding companies ay umakyat ng bahagya. Ang most active stock ay SM. So, tingnan po natin si SM mamaya. And MWIDE is the top gainer. So, tingnan po natin si SM, si SSI, SPNEC, MWIDE, MPI, SM. So, let's start with SSI. Si SSI ay yan, umaakyat si SSI And ang tanong kanina ni Cyborg, potential po bang bumalik dati niyang sigla at kung okay ang dividends niya? Okay, so umaakyat po si SSI, pero this is just part of the long downward trend, ano? Kasi po dito, nung 2019 ay bumaba po siya, mas lalong bumaba. During the pandemic, umakyat ng konti, tapos nagre-recover na po. So, right now, ay bullish po si SSI on the short, medium, and long term, pero malaki pa po ang aakyatin niya para ma-reach niya yung 2017 level, ano? At in terms of dividends, it gives 1 dividend per year, 2 centavos lang in the year 2022 at hindi pa po siya nagbibigay in 2023. Bihira po magbigay po ng dividendo ito. Ito 151, 2019. Samantalang ito, August, 2 centavos lang, 2.1 centavos. So, sa presyo po niya, during that time, ay computing natin 149 eh. 0.021 divided by 150. 1.4%. Hindi siya that attractive sa dividends. Ngayon, in terms of babalik ang dating sigla, kasi itong SSI po ay they sell luxury, well, most of them are luxury brands. Ano? Ito yung Hermes, Gucci, Salvatore, ito po yung mga high-end, Ferragamo, Zara, and then meron silang middle, pang middle class, ano? Stradivarius, Old Navy, Lacoste, pero high-end pa rin ang Lacoste. But just the same, I cannot, well, it has a potential of going up dahil bumalik na po tayo sa normal levels during the pandemic. And we are already on the road to recovery. So, who knows, no? I cannot say for sure na aakyat siya dun sa dating levels, but right now on the technicals ay umaakyat po siya. Okay? Okay, Cyborg? Okay, next we have SPNEC. Yung tanong ni Fernando Dumuk kanina tungkol sa SPNEC jumping 8%, yan. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit nag-jump ng ganito. No? Baka may nalaman po kayo dyan. Ako po ay walang nasasagap na news, pero breakout po ito, si SPNEC. Ano? With support here at 140. So, na-break po niya yung support level. And right now, the next support ni SPNEC nandito po sa level na ito, 157, very near the support, the resistance level. The next support level, mga 155 to 160 po ang next support level ni SPNEC. And bullish po si SPNEC, overbought nga lang po siya. As of February 6 and today, February 7, nagkaroon ng red, short red candlestick. But yesterday, it was a breakout. MWIDE. Ito may dividendo ito eh. Kaya ito nagkaganito. So, ang dividend declaration po ni MWIDE ay silipin natin. Ano? Kasi declaration of cash dividends. Ex-date is March 1 and it declared a 50 centavo cash dividend. So, computein po natin 0.5 divided by 3.96. That's, 12.6%. Malaki. Malaki yung kanyang dividendo. So, yesterday, it was at 337 o 327. Ngayon ay 396. So, malaki po yung dividendo niya. No? 12.62. And the other, hindi nagbibigay ito ng dividendo. First time siguro ito magbigay ng dividendo. Kaya nagkaganyan siya. Pero mataas 12.6 po. Net of tax, that's 13.36. So, yan po si MWIDE and bullish na po siya from a bearish standpoint, no? Kasi nagko-cross lang po or nagpi-piercing through lang po yung medium and long-term indicator, tapos dumating po yung announcement ng dividends, yun po ang nagpataas. Support is at 350 na dating resistance. Ngayon, ang next resistance level ay medyo mataas na, mga 455 po ang next resistance level dito. 455. Yan po ang ating tingin sa MWIDE and it is already overbought but this was brought about by dividends kasi. Yan po. MPI. So, tumataas, well, nagko-consolidate lang po si MPI, ano? From here, it appears to be moving sideways although it is bullish in the short, medium, and long term. Yan po si MPI. Ngayon, ang support nandito po sa area to 402. And the resistance, let's do a 1-week chart at nandito kaya nakikita sa 442. Next resistance level. 442, 443. And then finally, we have SM. Si SF, okay, just moving sideways. And on the long term, paakyat pa rin po siya. But right now, nagdi-dip siya ng konti. If we will draw a Darvas box, yan po. Ang nakikita kong parameters ni SM, 958 to 959 ang kanyang resistance. And then, 890 ang kanyang support. Then, this estimate is from November 25 to February 7. Still bullish to sideways po ang movement ng SM. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-7 ng Pebrero. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. Ang investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.